looking at the significance of the changing regulatory environment, changing vehicle incentives, BEV incentives, and that impact on vehicle affordability, that's all incredibly relevant.
I think it gives an opportunity to have a unique perspective and really give, the insurance industry kind of unique access to what's going on and what's going to drive, some of these trends, down in the coming years.
The kind of larger sea change movements that we might see in terms of where business exists within insurers is much more likely to follow on from these vehicles with highly automated driving or fully autonomous vehicle capabilities.
And perhaps existential changes in how auto insurance is designed and delivered, and ultimately who is held liable when crashes do occur.